So in this lesson, what we're going to see is the use of what's called the patch tool. It's a healing tool and it allows us to remove an area from the screen and bring it in to the patched area something new. Now I'm going to use the staff as a reference point for this because there are little pieces on the ground. There's a cigarette end here and there's a pot lid here, but I like to show something a bit larger. We're going to use this staff here. It's a two-part process. The patch tool lives under the healing tools here, and there's the patch. It lives under spot healing brush tool, and there's the patch here. I'll click on the patch. Now the patch is a selection tool, so what we've got to do is select the area first. It is a selection tool, so you may use another selection if you want to, but I'll use a patch. It's a free-form tool, so I have to left click and hold and drag around the image. And what I do, I'll start here. I'm going to left click and hold and drag around. Now I'm being pretty loose with this. I'm not going to come too tight to it because I don't want to disturb the staff itself. That's a little bit wide, but don't worry. And I finish where I start the selection to create the marching ants. When I've done that, I bring the patch tool inside the selected area. You can see there's an arrow pointing right. I can go left, right, up or down if I wish to, but I will actually go right on this one because the man's to the left. If I left click and hold and drag, you can see as I move to the right, the staff starts moving out of the picture until I see a mirror image of what's underneath the selection and my cursor. So I'm going to try and make a good selection with what's there. It's going to be difficult because of the floor, but I'll have a good go. I'll let it go there and hopefully the patch tool will do its job and make a good selection, and there you go. So it's brought in, it's mirrored what's underneath the selection. I could have brought the selection in much tighter, but at least it gives you an idea. If I Control D or Command D for Mac, I can get rid of the selection. You can see it's patched in quite well.